Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today, in E-Trade, we're going to be selling a covered call. Cleveland Cliffs has had a huge gain. You can see here I paid $8.28. It's currently at $21.56. That sector is very bullish. Steel prices are through the roof. And once the supply catches up with demand, this stock is probably going to settle back down a little bit, but I still like the stock. So what I want to do today is I want to sell a covered call on it. So I'm going to go down here to trade. I'm going to go to options, symbol, Cleveland Cliffs, and wow, look at that. It expires in 1 week. If I do the $22 call, wow, I can make some pretty good return on there in just a week. Alright, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to sell to open. Yep, sell to open 1 week. Cleveland Cliffs. I'm only going to do one. Alright. Do a limit order. Limit price, we're going to go 0.48. Term. Good for the day. Alright. I think that's it. Try the right account selected. Yep, got plenty of powers. Preview. Proceeds $47.48. If I do that for 52 times, it's pretty good. Alright. Order was placed. View the portfolio. And let's go to open orders. Yeah, it didn't execute. So let's edit. I'll go to 47. Preview. Place. Okay. Fine. View. And there it is. I sold a covered call on Cleveland Cliffs. If it goes over $22 by the end of the week, it will be executed. I could possibly roll it, but that's pretty good gains. I lock it in. So, alright guys, let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe and find out what happens with this option. And stay tuned for the daily options trade and wealth building techniques. Remember to like this video. Thanks for watching.